Chapter 1. Introduction to Computers. Characteristics of computers. A computer is a very useful machine. It has many characteristics. Some of its characteristics are superior even to human beings. Let us learn about some of the characteristics of the computer. Speed. A computer is a very fast machine. It performs complicated calculations that a human being does in many years in a few seconds. It processes millions of instructions per second. Accuracy. A computer is a very accurate machine. It never commits a mistake while calculating. When the input data and the set of instructions are correct, the result produced is accurate.
Remember, the errors in calculations arise due to incorrect input by human users.
Large memory. A computer has a large memory. It stores a large amount of data in its memory and retrieves them whenever required. Diligence. A computer works tirelessly for a long time. Unlike human beings, it never feels bored or gets tired. When 10 million calculations are to be performed, a computer performs the 10 millionth calculation exactly with the same accuracy and speed as it performed the first one.
Do you know, some computers in scientific laboratories are working for many years without being shut down.
Versatility. A computer does a number of different tasks. One moment, it prepares results of a particular examination. The next moment, it gets busy solving sums, and in between, it may be used for listening to the latest songs. Briefly, a computer is capable of performing almost any task, provided the task is reduced to a set of instructions. Limitations of computers. A computer is a wonderful machine, but it also has certain limitations. No intelligence. A computer is a machine. It possesses no intelligence of its own. It is dependent on the user for performing a task. It cannot take its own decision. Everything must be given as a set of instructions. It does only what it is told to do. No feelings. A computer does not have feelings or emotions. Based on our feelings, taste, knowledge, and experience, we often make decisions in our day-to-day life, but a computer cannot make judgments and decisions by itself. Generations of computers. Do you know what generation means? In terms of time, it means age group. For example, you are your parents' child. Similarly, your father is your grandparents' child. So, your parents are in first generation of your grandparents, and you are in second generation of your grandparents. Hence, in case of your grandfather, father and you, there are 3 generations. Similarly, the computer also has different generations. Computers are classified into 5 generations based on the technology used, the way they work, and their size. First generation computers, 1942 to 1955. First generation computers had the following features. They used vacuum tubes. They were very expensive. They were heavy and large in size. They generated a lot of heat. Examples: ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC. Second generation computers, 1956 to 1964. Second generation computers had the following features. They used electronic devices called transistors. They were smaller in size than first generation computers. They were faster than first generation computers and also less expensive. Examples: ENIAC 1401, IBM 700, CDC 160. Third generation computers, 1965 up to 1971. Third generation computers had the following features. They used electronic devices called integrated circuits, ICs. They were smaller in size than second-generation computers and less expensive. They were faster than first-generation computers and also less expensive. Examples: IBM 360, ICL 1900 or ICL 1900, VAX 750.
Do you know? Transistors and integrated circuits, ICs, are electronic devices used in most electronic machines such as TV, radio, computer, mobile phone and washing machine.
Fourth-generation computers 1972 onwards. Fourth-generation computers have the following features. They use a device called microprocessor. They are smaller in size. They are cheaper and faster. They are very easy to handle. Examples: IBM 4300, ICL 2900, HP 9000. Fifth-generation computers, future computers. Fifth-generation computers will have the following features. They will be intelligent like human beings and will use artificial intelligence, AI, for working. They will be able to think like us. They will be used in areas such as robotics, designing, defense.
Remember, artificial intelligence is the technique with which a machine is made to think and take decisions like human beings. Do you know? Microprocessor was first invented by Intel Corporation in the late 70s. Microprocessor revolutionized the computer completely. Scientists are trying to develop artificial intelligence, AI, in computers. Active research work is going on all over the world. Number system. Suppose you want to know the number of students in your class, what will you do? You simply count the number of students one by one. The number system you use here is known as decimal number system. It is the most common number system. You know how to use it and how to do the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in it. There are 10 digits in a decimal number system. These 10 digits from 0 to 9 are used to represent a number or quantity. Any quantity greater than 9 is represented by a combination of 2 or more digits. For example, if we add 8 and 5, then the result is 13, which is a combination of 1 and 3. Besides decimal number system, there are other number systems too. Some of them are binary number system. It has 2 digits, 0 and 1. Octal number system. It has 8 digits, 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system. It has 16 digits, 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F, where A represents 10, B represents 11 and so on. All these number systems are used in computers. Let us learn about the most commonly used number system, the binary number system. Binary number system. Binary means composed of 2. Binary number system uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Binary number system is used widely in computers. You know that the decimal number system has 10 digits from 0 to 9. As decimal number system has 10 digits, it is called base 10 system. Similarly, as the binary number system has only 2 digits, 0 and 1, it is called base 2 system. Remember, a digit in binary number system is called a bit. Bit stands for binary digit. Look at the decimal numbers and their equivalent binary numbers. Binary numbers are represented here using 4 bits.